At First Mold, our injection molding workshop is built around one idea: stable, repeatable production. Here, resin turns into finished parts through a controlled molding process. Material is received, dried, and prepared, so every production run starts consistent. Tools are matched to the right press, from small machines to high-tonnage presses. We run standard molding, insert molding, two-color molding, and overmolding on the same floor. Engineering and modified plastics let each part be tuned for strength, appearance, and durability. Each new tool follows a scientific molding routine to define a real production window. Once it's set, parameters are monitored and inline checks keep every cavity in range, shift after shift. Automation and clear work instructions keep cycles steady, variation low, and handling consistent. Molding technicians and tooling, processing, and quality engineers work as one integrated team. Changes are handled in a controlled, traceable way instead of quick fixes. This setup supports high-volume molding with predictable quality and delivery. For more factory tours and real manufacturing footage from First Mold, you're welcome to subscribe.